Hey guys! Today is Feb 27, 2025, ARL's 25th birthday with 27 experience. Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm already 52 years old. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Look. Of course. With my loving family and husband, Michael, and Carl and Andre, and of course, my family in the Philippines and all my friends in Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much for all your greetings guys. And of course, meron pa tayo dito ng mga cakes. Ayan. O, diba? So sweet, like this cake. ARL. God bless, thank you so much. Bye. Okay guys, try natin yung coffee ha. Okay. Sarap. Free coffee. Black coffee.
KitKat?
Yes.
O, diba?
Do you have the small size?
No. Only one
This
size.
is one size, huh?
Coffee also. Talaga nag-aabang talaga kasi ano, talaga nag-aabang talaga.
Siyempre pa, compilation eh.
I am so young.
525 sa Saudi.
Mabuti na atin kayo. Hindi, okay na. Mabuti na atin kayo. Kaya nga, sabay-sabay nga. Sabi ko may mga household sila.
Bitin muna, bitin muna.
Sige po. Ayan pala.
Okay.
Ayan na, thank you for coming po.
Happy birthday sa...
Wow, talaga thank you for
Ilan pa? Alam dito.
Hello
Si
po.
Tamara po.
Andiyan po. Hi, ate.
Thank you for coming. Okay.
Hi, nagulat ako.
Wow, thank you for coming.
Happy 25th birthday.
Yeah.
Bakit naman yung pinarasyon mo na party? Birthday.
Ayan.
Kuya Card dyan ka, sit ka dyan.
Ano na, ayun na. Wow! Sa atin, bless. Bless pa.
Sorry.
Wow! Thank you, Tita, for coming. Talaga sa dito.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Teka lang, bublow to muna. Happy birthday to you.
Wish!
Wish.
Of course, my wish is for the family safety and good health, of course. More blessings to come. Today is this year is 2025, and I'm 25 years old. 27 years ago. Thank you so much, guys, for coming. For your, okay. Go ko lang.
Go.
Yay!
Okay.
Wow, thank you for coming. So, my car sa last okay, kasi grabe, may household. Hey guys! Of course, today is my 25th birthday. Today is Feb 27, 2025. 25 experience. Of course, with my friends, CFC families. Yeah. Thank you for coming, guys. Ang dami kong na-invite. Maraming mga household daw. O, diba? Ayan, dyan. O, diba? Wow, long table. I'm so happy. Okay. So, here at Ilonggos. Thank you for siya. Kasama po yan, hindi na. Doon sa kabila yan. Okay, sige, kain kayo dyan. Ay, ito pala yung mga kids pa, of course. Kasama si Kuya Lance, Kuya Aiden, mga best friend ni Kuya Carl, Andre, Kuya Carl also, okay, Kuya Miggy, Ate Strawberry, Ate, what's your name again? Ate Kelly. Yeah. Yes, sa aming mga household. So, yung mga household namin, guys, upper and lower. Tsaka iba ko kasi hindi na nakapunta dito. Ayan. Ayan. Okay? What is your wish for mommy? ERL? Yeah, Carl?
More than happy life.
Dre! Say happy birthday to mommy. Huwag na ito magsalita. Wow, ayan. Long table tayo. Sarap ng cake. Thank you sa nagbigay ng cake, ha? Thank you. Sino nagbigay? Yeah, also. Thank you so much sa cake. Super sarap. Nakasakto sa damit ko talaga. Grabe. O, diba yung cake? Sakto-sakto sa color ng damit ko. Thank you so much. Thank you. Dito, nakabot dito. Ayan. Ayan. Kain kayo dyan ng cake. Happy birthday to me. Bye. Thank you. Hey guys, of course, before the day ends, I want to spend it happily. See, happy birthday to ARL! Sige, mag-open tayo ng ilang gifts. First of all, I want... Oops, yung shoes ko, hindi ko nasuot sa party. ARL at 25 years old with 27 experience. Guys, I am 52 years old already. Okay, friends, thank you so much for all your gifts. Pakita ko sa inyo mga gifts na makatuwa naman yung mga gifts nila sa akin. Of course, damit. Hindi natin sabihin no? Bath and body. Wow, hindi talaga abala po yung aking mga titas ng gift. Of course, yung cake kanina. Ayan, so malaking cake. Naubos doon, ang ganda. And from, may kumara tita. Pachi chocolate. Wow. Dami mo. Nakakatuwa naman pala. Either small or big gift, it really matters to me. Wow. Oh, diba? Next. Ito ang cute-cute din niya. Wow. At meron din dito. Oops. Pang winter, pang Christmas, no? Parang pang Christmas siya. And then, I have also here, another gift. Ang dami, no? Oops, nandito sa box. May isa pa dito. Ang cute-cute niya, guys. Wait. Medyo hindi natin makita. Yun. Isang damit. Ang isang damit, nagustuhan ni Andre, nasa kanya na. And then, ang cute ng isang box niyan. Ang cute-cute nung parang bag siya. Ang cute talaga. Okay? Thank you so much, everyone. Ito, may nakalagay dito, guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Happiness is your choice. So, ARL's happiness is my choice and it will serve as a memory forever because I am 52 years old. ARL. Bye. God bless everyone. O, diba? Happy birthday, Tita Arlie! Thank you so much. I am 25 years old with 27 experience. Wow!